to the channel, where we turn financial dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into a powerful budgeting strategy that can revolutionize your financial life. Zero-based budgeting. Imagine every dollar you earn being put to work. Sounds exciting, right? But what if I told you that without a solid budget, your hard-earned money could be slipping right through your fingers? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand zero-based budgeting, but also be inspired to take control of your finances like never before. Let's face it, managing money can feel overwhelming. In a world filled with temptations, from the latest tech gadgets to that Instagram-worthy vacation, it's easy to lose sight of our financial goals. Nearly 60% of Americans don't have a budget. That's a staggering number. Without a budget, you risk living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or worse, missing out on your dreams. Now, let's add a twist. What if I told you that a simple budgeting method could change all that? Here comes the savior of your financial woes, zero-based budgeting. But first, let's break down what it is. Zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is not just a fancy term, it's a game changer. Here's how it works. Every month, you assign every dollar you earn a specific purpose, whether it's bills, savings, or fun. At the end of the month, your budget should equal zero. Unlike that mystery meat in your fridge, your money should never go to waste. Point one, the benefits now. Why should you care? Let's talk benefits. First off, it gives you clarity. By knowing exactly where your money goes, you can make informed decisions. Picture this. You're at a coffee shop, and instead of mindlessly spending, you recall you have a fun budget that allows for that latte. Imagine the thrill of seeing your savings grow while still enjoying life. Let's be real, starting any new financial journey can be daunting. You might be thinking, what if I overspend? Can I really stick to this? Here's the secret. It's about flexibility. Life happens. If you overspend in one category, simply adjust your budget in another. Time is of the essence. The sooner you start, the sooner you can reap the rewards. Don't wait until you're drowning in debt. Take action now. On to see. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of implementing zero-based budgeting. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This is your baseline. Then create categories. Essentials like rent and groceries, savings, and yes, a little fun money. But wait, there's more. You can even create a category for unexpected expenses, because we all know that life loves to throw curveballs. Point one, real-life success stories. Let's look at some success stories. Meet Sarah, a recent graduate, who was living paycheck to paycheck. After adopting zero-based budgeting, she paid off her credit card debt within 6 months and saved enough for an epic road trip. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Point two, tools and resources. Now, you might be wondering, how do I even start? There are numerous apps and tools to help you, from spreadsheets to budgeting apps. Find what works for you. And here's a little secret. Make it fun. Set goals. Reward yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? With zero-based budgeting, every dollar counts, and every decision matters. Don't let fear dictate your financial journey. Embrace the excitement of planning and achieving your dreams. Join us next week when we explore the top budgeting apps that can make your zero-based budgeting journey even smoother. Until then, like, subscribe, and start budgeting like a boss. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about making choices that align with your dreams. See you next time.